Hey guys, this is Dan in Tucson again. Just taking a video of showing you a video of my backup cam that I installed. And I not only did a backup cam, I also did a blind spot cam. And it runs down inside here, runs all the way through in here into, and then it mates up with the backup cam at the camera, and the backup cam is running through this conduit right here. It runs up in there, which obviously goes underneath the vehicle. But I'm really glad I put in a blind spot cam, because I have a wicked blind spot on this vehicle, mainly due to an awning that I've got that I don't have any problem seeing from this side, but seeing out that side I have to lean forward and squint, and it's just no fun. So let me show you what I did. This does a couple of things. It dresses up the dash where you've got that big hole, that big glove box hole. This is an 8-inch monitor that I got off of eBay. I'm sorry I don't know the brand. I mean, they're all made in China, but if you look at it, you can probably match it up by the buttons. The ones that have these buttons will fit perfectly in there. And there's a switch bank that I came up with. I used the bezel off the old radio. I took the radio out of this vehicle. If I want to listen to anything, I just listen to it over Bluetooth headphones now, because I decided radios and alarm systems, and they just don't get along with the electrical system in this vehicle for some reason. So I decided to lose that. The first switch here, let me show you, is the backup cam. And you turn it on, and then there we go. That's showing the back of the vehicle, and it has a rangefinder on there. Obviously anything that's within that box is pretty close, and if it's at stop, it's probably too late to stop, but you get the idea. I generally like to approach it that anything that's in that blue box is way too close. Now, like I said, I've got two cameras hooked up to this monitor. The way I switch between the cameras is, check this out. I have a little remote control that is magnetically held to my steering wheel, and whenever I want to switch cameras, I just go over here like this, and there's the blind spot camera right there. This is really handy. I mean, this has saved me so many times. I've only had it on here for 6 or 8 weeks, and this is an extreme safety feature on this vehicle, because the very first time I turned it on was on the highway headed into Phoenix on I-10, and some maniac passed me on the shoulder. He entered the freeway on the shoulder and flew past me going about 70 miles an hour. And fortunately I saw him coming only because of this camera. So I'm really glad that I installed this. Like I said, this camera is that camera right there, the one on the mirror, and it's really handy. It saved me quite a few times. The next thing I'd like to show you as far as this switch bank is something I installed here, my little voice-activated GPS. It's a Garmin, I don't know the model number, but you turn it on, and there it goes. And it's a really nice little unit. Check it out. It's voice-activated, so all you have to do is say, "Garmin, listen up."
Say a command.
Find place.
Speak the name of a place.
Walmart.
Searching for Walmart. Select a line number.
1.
Would you like to begin navigation?
No.
Select a line number.
Exit. So that's pretty cool. That's sure beats having to look at your phone. You know, being voice activated kind of brings the whole vehicle into the 21st century, sort of. The next switch, I'm not going to turn this on for long. This is the facet pump on the reserve tank back by the generator. And right now it's not primed, so because there's no fuel in there, because I have a tendency to use it quite a bit because I like filling up while I'm going down the road. It's a very handy little thing to have, and I'm sure all you guys probably know about that. The next switch is currently not hooked up. It's going to be a manual cooling fan switch that's going to also activate an evaporative air cooling system. It's basically going to be a mister system that is going to spray a fine mist of water and rubbing alcohol out in front of the vehicle when it reaches a certain temperature, so that it'll cool the ambient air in front of the fans before the fans actually suck it in. It's more of an experiment than anything, but that's what this switch is for. Okay, well, that's all for now. Just showing you what I've been up to, and I've also got this cool dash cover, which is not looking too good. It's kind of dirty. So if anybody wants a custom-made dash cover, just give me a call. I can have one made for you. Okay, that's all for now. Bye-bye.